Hi everyone, I'm Abdul Samad. Welcome to this series on English tenses. In this class, we will look at the present simple tense. I'll show you exactly when to use it, how to use it, and also what mistakes to be careful of when you are using this tense. We'll also go through lots of practice exercises together, so you will learn exactly how to use this tense correctly and confidently. Are you ready? Let's get started. This series is about English tenses, but what are tenses anyway? Tenses are simply the way we talk about time in English. What do we mean by time? We mean the past, the present, the future. These are all different times, and we have different tenses to express or talk about those times. In this lesson, we're going to look at the two basic ways that we can speak about the present in English. Although we are focusing on the present simple, I want to give you a little overview so you understand the basic differences between these two tenses. For example, in the present simple, we would say I work. In the present continuous, we could say I am working. The difference is that I'm working present continuous is used for something happening now or something temporary. For example, I am teaching or you are listening. These things are happening right now or something temporary. But when we say I work, simple present, it refers to something more general or permanent, like I work somewhere or I have a job. Now let's focus on the present simple tense. How does it work? Here are the basic forms. We say I work, you work, we work, they work, he works, she works, it works. Notice the S added for he, she, and it. We use the present simple tense in five main situations. One, permanent situation. For example, we live in New York. This means it's a long-term situation. Number two, regular activities. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. Number three, facts, general truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. Number four, schedules. Regular scheduled events. For example, our class starts at 9. Number five, and the last one, adverbs of frequency, describing how often something happens. For example, she always takes. And now we've divided the simple present tense into three sections: positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions. Positive sentences, we say I work, you work, we work, they work, he works, she works, it works. In negative sentences, we say I do not work or I don't work. He doesn't work. In the question form, we say do I work? Does he work? In negative questions, we say do I work? Does he work? For questions with question word, place it at the beginning. For example, where do you work? When does she? And now let's move to the spelling changes in the present simple tense. When using he, she, or it, most verbs add s. For example, dance becomes dances, and verbs ending with s, sh, chx add es. For example, kiss becomes kisses. Verbs ending in consonant plus y, we change y to ias. For example, try becomes tries. And here are short answers in English. In conversations, we use short answers. For example, do they need help? Yes, they do. Or no, they don't. Does he speak French? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. And now let's talk quickly about some common mistakes to avoid. Common mistakes include using the wrong tense. I am living in England. Should be I live in England. If it's a permanent situation, verb form mistake, we say we likes to travel. Should be we like to travel. And another spelling mistake like she tries to save money. Should be like she tries to save money. This way. The last one, which is missing words. We say sometimes we say what time you finish work. Should be what time do you finish work? And that's it for today. You've learned a lot and now it's time to practice. Go to description and download a group of exercises to practice the simple present using all rules I had mentioned. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.